Hello, good afternoon. This is Nining Shirley. Nining Jokal, the Challengers blog. Today is Wednesday and it's around like 3:15. We got here at the other clinic for my husband fractured wrist and they have to do the cast today. We are here in San Marcos, which is 2 cities away from Oceanside, but this is more a little bit farther from the ocean, and they are surrounded by mountain. And I will focus a little bit. The house is right on the top of the hill. See the top of the hill. So the house is there. You know, there you go. So are the houses. I remember the first time I came here like 30 years plus ago. This area is kind of bushy and there's no building around here, and now I can see how busy the road is. And look at the other mountain there. It's too foggy. So I'm gonna be here in my car waiting for my hubby because I cannot go with him. It's a lot of restriction to go there, and they're not allowing me to be with him. So I'm just gonna be waiting here. So instead of wasting my time, I'm gonna take a video around in this area only. And as you notice, they have more space here, more space, more parking space. You don't need to pay compared than in Oceanside, that when you go to the ocean you have to pay. Even on the street, in the public street, you have to pay. There's no room in Oceanside for parking anymore. So parking is kind of business. And look at that, I think that's another store across the street. I don't know what kind of store. I don't know, maybe that's Fry's or what, but I'm sure Fry's is all the way not in here. Okay, it's right there. Or maybe that's a court or something, So this is it. This is another day. This is the third day for him to struggle his left hand, and we're thinking about we filed a workers' comp, but I think he really don't want to do that because workers' comp will only cover for his first job, and his second job they won't cover. Workers' comp don't participate about it. So I think he made up a decision of going to work while he got a cast on his left hand. But the company said that if he's not going to workers' comp, they're gonna give him a light job, light responsibilities, just like working in the office or something, So which is good. It's only for 6 weeks. We don't know. After 6 weeks, we don't know if they're going to give him a therapy, a bone therapy or something. I don't know what you call that. I think it's gonna do that. And after this, after they put a cast on his wrist, we're gonna go to his second job, and he's gonna sit down with his HR and find out if they're gonna give him a light job, not on the field. But anyway, his job over there is not that very hard. It is just like he's a med tech and giving medication to the patients. But it's still gonna be hard because of doing that job using by one hand. So let's find out what's gonna be happening if they do that, because he got an accident on his first job. workers comp will pay for the first job, but the second job don't. So he's going to negotiate about it. The second job, that if they will give him less responsibilities, or any kind of work that can carry one hand, you know. Here in America, it's really hard because I'm not working either. Um, I'm not working either at this point of time because of my health issue also. Um, you know what? I'm gonna close the car. I'm gonna lock the car. I'm gonna go there to video it. I need to find out what's in there. I cannot leave the car unlocked while my bag is here. I'm gonna turn off. All the windows locked. So I'm gonna walk around over there while waiting for him. So okay, now I'm gonna go in that area. He's over in that building. He's over in that building. So I'm parking a little bit farther. So I'm gonna walk across that. But anyway, you didn't see me. I am here. Hello. How are you guys doing? Um, we're gonna go walk. I'm going to walk over in that area because I don't know what's in there. There's a lot of cars. I don't know if that is a store, a Fry's, or whatever. So let's figure it out. Um, Palomar Health. We are in Palomar Health. Okay. Oh, that's not a Fry's. Because I know if it is a Fry's, and the opposite side of the Fry's is the mobile home, manufactured mobile home. Oh, it's kind of windy here. I don't know what's that there, but I will focus my camera so that I can read it. Oh, okay, Kaiser Permanente. Kaiser Permanente is also a healthcare, like a hospital also. So Kaiser Permanente, my friend is working in Kaiser Permanente in Washington, and which is good. And I like this. Look at that. It's beautiful here. See that? Wow, I like it here. See that? It's beautiful. I do like nature. And it's too windy. And as you see, this San Marcos is surrounded by mountain. It's kind of cold in here, but if the weather is hot, it's gonna be very hot in here too. I know that the wind blows, and it's beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful. I want you guys to see me. See that? I am here. I am here. So, got the trees. I like the way they set up. They set up when they plant these trees. Look at the flowers. It's, it's kind of dark. The weather is dark. What I mean, the clouds is dark and it's so cold. But I am wearing short. See, I'm wearing short. Yeah, look at that. I like the trees. I'm pretty sure we can have a shortcut in here. Twin Oaks. We are in Twin Oaks and Craven. So look at that. The mountain here is naked. There's no trees. It's rocky or stone or stony mountain. So I don't know where this road goes. I need to find out this one day. I need to find out this one day. Driving around. I know it's going back. It's still San Marcos, but I think in Melrose or Santa Fe Boulevard. Santa Fe Boulevard. As you see, that area right there is Kaiser Permanente. That's another insurance, another hospital, you know, exclusive. And this is on the other side. I don't know if this is part of them, but they call this um, Palomar Health. Palomar Health. Like that. So I'm walking to the garden that I planted a long time ago. I'm just kidding. I just look at that flowers blooming. It's so beautiful. Kids are. I don't think so. There's coronavirus in this area, unless it's a bayou. So it's so nice. I should take a picture here. Um, I should take a picture. It's beautiful. That is beautiful. It's beautiful, except for the person standing taking picture. But the trees are beautiful than human being. Trees can give us relaxation, aroma, unlike human being giving problems, all the disease and everything, you know. So now we found out that skies are permanently. Um, so we're going that way. That building. That building is where my husband goes. He went there. Right there. Surprised me in this area. They don't have this building before. Oh, look at those houses, right? They're covered by houses on top of the mountain. I'll show you. Focus it, focus, 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 focus. That is the houses there. See that? The house right on the very, very top of the mountain, I'm going to tell you. I don't know in other states or in Germany or in Europe or in Australia or in Norway, but here in California, people who live in the mountain, they are well off. Okay, because they own their own land, they made up their own way, their own road to go up. You know, they can put their helicopter there, whatever. You know, everything they can do right there. So, people who live down there is an average kind of life. Some people who live in the city, I don't know if average or lower than that. That's California. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But the place where I'm living, people who live in a mountain, like in Hollywood, you know, all those rich people, actors and actresses live in Hollywood. There are mountains there. They love to see, you know, if you're rich, you want to be on the top of the hill so that you can see down what's the beauty of the city and you can see the people around under you. It means superiority, you know. That is it. So I don't know. Let me go see what's in the other side. But I'm scared to go there. Maybe there's snakes or anything. Because a lot of rattlesnakes in here. Or this is the problem here, is the rattlesnakes. I like in here because you don't need to pay for a parking space. You don't need to worry where you're gonna park. You know, it looks like you own the parking. You know, free. You park wherever you want to park. And if you don't have a restroom because you cannot go to use a restroom because they're very strict, just bring a cup inside your car and pee inside the car. How about that? Your car is your house. It's your bathroom. It's your kitchen. It's your bedroom. Everything. You know, the trunk is your storage. Okay, the trunk is the storage. The back seats is my bathroom. Is my bedroom. Also, my bathroom is right there. The front is also my kitchen. Okay, so now I don't know how long I'm gonna be here, but after this we're going to his job. You know, so Okay, so I think this is it, and I'm gonna stop my blog here, and I will see you guys in my next blog. I wanna say goodbye, but I say so long, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, thank you so much, and I would like say thank you, people. I have to oh, yeah, thank you, people. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes, and share. Share my video. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye.